So today, Optimus Prime Harrison today, and we're gonna do an awesome video. This is a different video we never saw. So we have a Hot Wheel video today. And we're gonna jump all of these vehicles on this ramp. And if you're too fast, they make it all the way over here and they win. If you're too slow, they're gonna land in this pit. And whoever lands in the pit over here will lose like this. And that one has to drive. Of course. That one has to drive. Tow truck. Now we're gonna start a video. Now this one is gonna turn in water also. But this one is gonna make it over and smash all of those cars. And this one has a cover on it, see? That cover is really cool. It's almost my favorite. We will tell you which one is my favorite after this. Pause the video. Please pause the video. Okay. Now I have to start over again. How?
Because I paused it.
Okay, now we're gonna jump that thing again. Yeah. That landed in water over here. And it landed in water. And it's gonna go, yeah. And also in water. And this one is gonna go way too fast. See? It's really cool. It's these covers. And it's silver. And it has orange, white, and purple. It's really cool. You have to buy this one soon, guys. Next is my favorite. It's in the water, anyway. This pool. You have to dry it off. It's actually this car. It has a blue cover under it, and it says Hot Wheels. It's really awesome. You have to buy this big rig Hot Wheel. So it does this. Watch, guys. So it looks up in here, and you close it back, and it has a trailer. This trailer is really hard to get off. See? Hey, come back here. And it's really hard, but this is the piece that stays under it because it's attached like this. And it snaps. When you hear a snap, it's on. And it gets in like that. And it just goes that. And that, get it on top of the ramp, then it goes through this. Bye, subscribers.